Yes, now students, next, first our topic is 5 or 6 digit numbers. This topic, based on this chapter, we did our sums in textbook numerals, all textbook numerals we completed. But, so now we are going to do some workbook problems. So whatever workbook problems are there, we are going to solve. But some similar questions are there. So if similar questions are there, that you have to do after my explanation. Whatever sums left, 2 or 3 like that is the similar type questions that you have to do as your home assignment. Okay, I am showing here one by one. So this is 5 digit and 6 digit number. We are going to discuss about 5 digits and 6 digit numbers. In this first bit, fill in the blanks with the correct numeral. So we have to fill the given blanks with the correct numeral. So what is the correct numeral here? First you have to check. Now here, 84,410. There are dash thousands and dash ones. He is asking how many tens are there, how many 10,000s and how many ones are there. First here you have to take ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000. Okay, here ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000. How many 10,000s? 10,000 means what is there in 10,000? We have to check. What is there in 10,000? 8 means 8 10,000s. 8 10,000s. And how many ones are there? What is there in ones place? What is there in ones place? Ones place 0 is there. 0 ones. How many ones are there? So in this complete numeral, how many 10,000s are there? 8 10,000s. And how many ones are there? 0 ones. Okay. Now, in the second similar question, again you have to write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is lakh. There are how many thousands? So this is in thousands place. 4 is in thousands place. Next, hundreds place. 2 is in hundreds place. Means 4 is in thousands place. 4 thousands. And how many hundreds were there? 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds were there. According to that, how many place values? According to place value. So in hundreds place, whatever is that, if he asks hundreds, then we have to write what is there in hundreds place, that we have to write. Okay, in that way you have to do. So one more question is left in this bit that you have to do as your home assignment. Now, write the figure of the numeral. So we have to write the given numeral into figures, means numbers. 2 lakhs, till lakhs is there, till lakhs. So you have to take here lakhs. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh. Then lakh. Then how many lakhs are there? 2 lakhs. In the lakhs place 2. 2 lakhs. Next, 9,000. How many thousands are there? 9,000s. 9,000 means in 10,000 there is no value. That is only 9. 9 is a single digit number. If single digit number is there in thousands place, so that we have to write in thousands, not in 10,000. In thousands place, if double digit number is there, we have to take 10,000 as well as 1,000. Only 9 is there. How can we take 9? 0, 9. In this way we have to write. In this way we have to write. 9,000, 9,071. 71. There is no 100. There is no 100. No 100 in this. No 100 means 100 is 0. In hundreds place 0. And 71. 71 means 71, 71. In tens place 7 and in ones place 1. Okay. So in this way we have to fill. Now here 7 lakhs, 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs means 3 lakhs we have to write. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Then 6 lakhs. How many lakhs? 6 lakhs. Then 18. There is no thousands. There is no thousands. Means in thousands place 0. There is no 100. There is no 100. 100 is also 0. 100 is also 0. Then 18. 1, 8, 18. In tens place 1. In ones place 8. This is 18. So then we have to keep commas. How to keep commas? After this place we have to keep comma. Then after thousands we have to keep comma. And here also after 3 digits we have to keep comma. And after thousands we have to keep comma. So why we are keeping? So these 3 comes under ones period. These 2 comes under thousands period. And after that lakhs period. Ones period starting 3 numerals from right to left. From right to left. Starting 3 digits they comes under ones period. And after that 2 places, 1000 and 1000, that comes under thousands period, and this is in lakhs period. Okay. Now, so this one more question is there. So what are questions left? Similar questions that you do as your home assignment. Now, write the correct face value. Face value means whatever numeral is there, that numeral we have to write according to the places. In thousands place, what is there? 8. You have to take 8. Then after that in 10,000 place 8 is there. After that thousands place 0. And again in hundreds place 0. Again in tens place 0. And again in ones place. Only that place values means face value means whatever numeral is there in that places means lakhs place, thousands place, 10,000 place according to that. Just we have to write the face value only. Here also in lakhs place 2 is there. In 10,000 place 0. In 10,000 place 0, in hundreds place 1, in tens place 2, in ones place 3. In the same way, lakhs place 3, 10,000 place 6, thousands place 5, and hundreds place 0, tens place 0, and ones place 0. Then in lakhs place 7, 10,000 place 0, thousands place 0, and hundreds place 0, tens place 0, and ones place 1. In lakhs place 9, in 10,000 place 9, in thousands place 9, in hundreds place 9, in tens place 9, in ones place 9. In this way we have to write the face values according to the places. Only the numeral we have to write. Okay. So this is a 5 digit and 6 digit numbers, how to write. The thousands and ones are given, then how to convert the given the numeral into the words into numeral, and how to write the face values. Okay. Now students, here write in standard form. So we have to write these numbers in standard form. So standard form, then how to write the given numbers in standard form. See here, first the starting very beginning number we have to count. How many digits were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits were there. So we have to write here 6 digits. Then how to write 6 digits? Ones, 1 digit, tens, 2 digits, 100, 3 digits, thousands, 4th digit, 10,000, 5th digit, then lakhs, 6th digit, 6th digit. Then how to write here? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 5 lakhs. In the lakhs place 5. 5 lakhs. Here 10,000. Here in thousands place, in 10,000 place we have to take 1. In 10,000 place we have to keep 1. Now here 6,000. Here in thousands place we have to keep 6. Next 500. In hundreds place we have to keep 5. 60. In tens place we have to keep 6. And in ones place we have to keep 9. This is in standard form. This is in standard form. So 5 lakhs means in lakhs place we have to keep 5. 10,000 means in thousands place 1. 6,000 again in thousands, this is in 10,000s place. In 10,000s place we have to keep 1. 6,000 in thousands place we have to keep 6, and 500 in hundreds place we have to take 5, and 60 in tens place 6, and ones place 9. This number in standard form. Now this one, 70,000. 70,000, how many digits are there at the very beginning? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. Only 5 digits we have to take here. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. Then 70 means 7 in 70,000. 7 in 10,000s place. There is no 1,000. There is no 100. And 10. In tens place 1. In tens place 1. There is no ones. There is no ones. In ones place 0. In ones place 0. In this way we have to write the given number in standard form. Given number in standard form. Okay. Now write the place value of each of the digits in the given numeral. First face value is over. Now place value. Now place value. Then how to write? This is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Then what is this? 6 is in 10,000s place, so 60,000. 60 face value. Then 5 is in thousands place, then 5,000. Then 7 in hundreds place, 700. Then 8 in tens place, 80. Then 5 is in ones place, 5. Here. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 8 is in 10,000s place, so 80,000. 0 is in thousands place, then 0, take 0 only. No need to take that. 1 is in hundreds place, 100. Then 0 in tens place, 0. 9 is in ones place, 9. 9 is in ones place, 9. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. 1 is in lakhs place, then 1 lakh. 2 is in thousands place, 10,000s place, that is why 20,000. Then 4 is in thousands place, 4,000. Then 2 is in hundreds place, 200. Then 0 in tens place, you want to take 2 zeros, 1 zeros, no use, so no need to take 2 zeros and all. 0 is enough. 0 it means it doesn't mean that it is the face value. Okay? It is only 0. Then 3. 3 is in ones place, 3 like that only. Like that only. Now in the same way, this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. 5 is in lakhs place, so that is why 5 lakhs. 1 is in 10,000s place, so 10,000. 7 in thousands place, 7,000. Then 1 is in hundreds place, 100. 9 is in tens place, 90. 0 in ones place, 0. So in the same way, similar questions, more 3 questions further, that 3 questions you do as your home assignment. Okay. Next, 6th bit. Write the place value, face value, and period of the digits of the given each of these numbers. So now in the previous question, so we did one face value question and separate one bit is there, that is for period. So what face value is there? Place value. So one is our place value, other one is face value. We did 2 different types of questions, and in this question 3 questions combined in one question. So what is that? We have to write face value and place value as well as period. So these 3 things we have to write in this question. See here, first 4,57,126. First we have to write the period of a number, place value and face value. Place value and face value. So then write the place values, face values and period of the following digits given. So first listen here. These 3 comes under ones period. These 2 comes under thousands. This one comes under lakhs. So this comes under lakhs period. This 2 comes under thousands period, and these 3 comes under ones period. These 3, these 2, and this one. Okay, lakhs, ones, thousand. Now here, so period this 4. First this 6. 6 is in ones period. 6 is in ones period, and this 2 is also ones period, and this one is also ones period. Starting 3 from right to left, right to left, starting 3 digits comes under ones period. Then this comes under thousands period, and this is also comes under thousands period, and this, the 6th one comes under lakhs period. This comes under lakhs period. Starting 3 from right to left, 1, 2, 3. These 3 comes under ones. Then after 2 digits, this 2 comes under thousands period, and this comes under lakhs period. Then after that, place value. Once this 6 is in ones place, 6 as it is, and 2 is in tens place, 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are 20. Next, 1 is in hundreds place. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 2 is in tens place, 2 tens are 20. 1 is in hundreds place, 1 into 100, 100. Next, 7 is in thousands place, 7 into 1000, 7,000. Then 5 is in 10,000 place, 5 into 10,000, 50,000. Next, 4 is in lakhs place, that is why 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs. This is the place value. Then next, face value. 6 face value is 6, and 2 face value is 2, and 1 face value is 1. Then 7 face value is 7. Then 5 face value is 5. And 4 face value is 4. These are the face values, place values, and period. So okay, starting 3 they comes under ones, and next 2 they comes under thousands period. Then last means 6th digit, that comes under lakhs period. Then 6 is in ones place, 6 ones are 6. 2 is in tens place, 2 tens are 20. So then, and 1 is in hundreds place, 1 into 100, 100. 7 is in thousands place, 7,000, 7 into 1000, 7,000. 5 is in 10,000 place, 5 into 10,000, 5, 50,000. And 4 is in lakhs place, that is 4 lakhs. Then face values 6, 2, 1, 6, 2, 1, 7, 5, 4, 7, 5, 4. In this way we have to write period, face values, and place values. Okay? Yes, now students, the next question. So first we have to write the period. 6 is in ones, starting 3 are in ones period, and 2 is also in ones period, and 1 is also in ones period, and 4 is in thousands period. Next, 9 is also in thousands period. Next, this 5 is in lakhs period. Next, after that, place value. Place values we have to write. Which values we have to write? Place value. 6 is in ones place, 6 ones are 6. Then 2 is in tens place, 2 tens are 20. 1 is in hundreds place, that is 100. 4 is in thousands place, 4 into 1000, 4,000. Then 9 is in 10,000 place, that is 90,000. 90,000. Then 5 is in lakhs place, 5 lakhs. then face value. 6 face value is 6, and this 2 face value is 2, and 1 face value is 1, and 4 face value is 4, and 9 face value is 9, and 5 face value is 5. So in this way you have to find face values, place values and period of the given number. If 5 digit numbers are there till here, so we have to write. So remaining 2 questions were there, 3 questions were there, that 3 questions you are homework. Yes, now count forward and write. So we have to count forward and write. Here 2 numbers are given. So on the basis of these 2 numbers, first we have to check so how much gap is there. If 1 gap is there, count forward and write. Okay. Here first one, 1,24,023, 1,24,024. Here 1,24,000 common. So here 0 0 common. Here 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 we have to write forward. Okay. So these 3 things, these 4 till here till 100 places. So we have to keep same. Then after that we have to increase 25, 26, 1 1 1 1 we have to increase. That is 1,24,024, 1,24,025, 1,24,026, 1,24,027, 1,24,028, 1,24,029. Next in this 6,66,166. Here 6,66,167. Next 6,66,168, 69, 70, 71 like that it will get. Now 6,66,168. Then 6,66,169. 6,66,170. 6,66,171. Then 6,66,172. Like this we have to increase 1 by 1 and we have to forward counting, means 1 1 1 1 we have to move forward. Next, comparing numbers. Now comparing numbers. So here circle the greatest, underline the smallest number. Circle. So we have to check which one is a smaller and which one is a larger. If smaller one is there, we have to underline the smaller one. If for greater, we have to circle the greater one. Now how to check? Whenever we are going to compare the numbers, we start comparison from thousands place, means lakhs, from left to right, from left to right, from here. First, what is there? First you have to count number of digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. In all 6 digits were there. If in all 6 digits were there, then you have to check lakhs place. 1 2 1 8. In 1 2 1 8, 8 is a larger. 8 is a larger. So that larger, for the larger we have to circle the larger one. And smaller. 1 2 1 8. 1 2 1 8. 1 is a smaller. So here 1 is there and in this we have 1. So these 2 numbers we have to compare. These 2 smaller numbers, in these 2 smaller numbers we have to compare which one is again a smaller in between these 2. 1 1. Again after that 10,000 place, 2 is there, 2 is there. And after that thousands place, 4 is there, 1 is there. So here in 4 and 1, 1 is a smaller. So you have to underline this smaller number. This is smaller. In this way we have to compare and we have to decide which one is greater and which one is smaller. The next, first you have to count number of digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in this 6 or in all the given numerals, 6 digits were there till lakhs it is given. So then we have to compare lakhs place first, means from left to right, 5 4 5 5. In 5 4 5 5, 5 is a smaller. 4 is a smaller, sorry, 4 is a smaller, this is a smaller, underline this smaller. Then for larger, for greater number, we have to decide which one is greater. In all these 3000 lakhs place is same, so then same is there, then cross it. Then you go for 10,000 place. Here 0 is there in 10,000, in 1 and 1. In 0, 1, 1, 1 is a greater. So 0 is not greater, means we need greater one. 1, 1. In this two we have to decide which one is the greater. In this two 1, 1 is same. Same means cross it. Then here 0 and here 0 is there. Here in hundreds 1 is there, in hundreds 4 is there. In 1 and 4, 1 is a smaller and 4 is a bigger. So we need a bigger one. So circle the bigger one. This is a bigger one and this is a smaller. In this way we have to check and we have to compare the number which one is smaller and which one is bigger, and write for greater make a circle and smaller underline it. And one more question is that is your homework.